Hey there YouTube. So today I'm going to do a quick review of the $28, I believe, $27 or $28 Amazon TV tilting wall mount. This is supposed to do up to a 37 to 70 inch television, I believe. Let's see here. 37 to 70 inch and capable of holding up to 132 pounds. It fits all your standard patterns, and I hung a 65-inch Vizio with this mount. Looks like your standard TV mount. However, it is probably, in my opinion, the most value for the money. 9 times out of 10, a TV mount like this at Walmart that tilts is going to cost probably $50 to $80. I think the day I bought this TV at Sam's Club, there was a mount for $79. It was the only tilting mount. This TV mount also came with all the tools, came with a cheap leveler, but here is the real kicker. A pretty tough looking HDMI cable. It's at least 6 foot long. Had no idea what was going to be coming with this, and overall, so far so good. It's actually a 2-piece mount. If I can find, if there's a picture of it here on the back. There's not, but overall here's the mount. What they do is there's 2 square pieces and they bolt together here in the center in order to cut down on packaging. But overall, if you're gonna buy a TV mount, wait an extra 2 days, don't get it same day, don't buy it at Walmart, and purchase this on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Please like and subscribe, thanks.